Authorities have further intensified restrictions across occupied Kashmir to prevent people from celebrating or filming the downing of the Indian fighter jets, including Rafale aircraft by Pakistan. A curfew-like situation prevails, particularly across the Kashmir Valley. The Indian Forces personnel are patrolling every major and minor city and town, forcing people to remain indoors. Internet speeds have been throttled to prevent the social media users from sharing updates about the Indian military losses, including the destructions of around half a dozen Indian Air Force fighter jets. Occupation forces personnel continued mass arrests and raids on the homes of the Kashmiri people across occupied territory. After the Pahalgam false flag operation, the authorities are particularly targeting Srinagar and the adjoining areas. Among the detainees included prominent Kashmiri journalist Hilal Mir. He was arrested during a raid at his residence in Srinagar. All parties Hurriyat Conference has strongly condemned the Indian missile strikes on Pakistan and Azad Kashmir, calling them a manifestation of the Hindutva-driven terrorism. In a statement issued in Srinagar, APHC spokesman Advocate Abdul Rashid Minhas said India's aggression is a grave threat to the regional peace. Amid growing hardships faced by the Kashmiri students in India, Delhi University, acting on the directives from the Home Minister Amit Shah, has instructed all the students from occupied Kashmir to submit their personal details to the university administration. The Jammu and Kashmir Students Association, in a statement issued in Srinagar, condemned the directive as discriminatory profiling.